I'd never seen anyone who'd recovered. I really thought it was impossible.
Mental illness can make you feel like you're literally the only person in the world.
I remember getting out of hospital on Christmas Eve. I felt completely powerless. My mum had to do my washing. My family had to do everything for me. I felt as if I was a child locked out of an amusement park, looking in from the outside and just seeing everyone else having the time of their life. At that stage, I could barely manage to get out of bed, as if my life was absolutely worthless. Life is lived in the small moments, and that's what's taken away from you when you're struggling with mental health issues. In the early stages of recovery, you can sense how uneasy people are in asking you certain questions, as if they're like treading on eggshells. The surf program really helped me get my life back on track and get back to doing what I love. And it just opened up a whole new lifestyle for me. And Mum's pleased now that I'm doing my own washing.
Mental illness can make you feel like you're literally the only person in the world.
I was surrounded by people in hospital, but I still felt so alone. For someone with depression, it's not a supportive environment. It's what happens when you get out that makes all the difference. I remember when I walked out of hospital, my first thought was, yes, freedom. For me, I felt like it was being with my dogs, it was joining the surf program, and eventually going back to work. I hate the stigma surrounding mental health. It makes you feel so alone. Mental health issues affect everyone in one way or another. Everyone's touched by it at some point in their life, so I don't know why it's so hard to talk about. The more people I talk to, it's really clear I'm not the only one who's ever struggled.
Surfing with the program, I had an absolute ball. It made me feel like I had a purpose. That's why I've come back as a volunteer, because I want to pay it forward.
Surfing for me saved my life. It was a sense of cleansing and renewal.
For me, the ocean is the one thing that I've always been drawn to. Every time I catch a wave, I can't wipe the smile off my face, even if I fall off straight away or get smashed.
Surfing for me is just an incredible feeling. It really feels like you're just flying.
It allowed me to rediscover myself and my passion for surfing.
It taught me that I could push myself in ways I could never even imagine were possible.
Anyone struggling needs to know you're not alone.